Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Tetfu Mahlalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. If you're regular, baby, you know I've got endless love for you. So guys, I haven't been posting. I've been away. I've just been quiet without telling you babies what's up, what's going on, which is not good. Because that's just not me, okay? But then it was a situation. Not your girl, okay? So I think you guys noticed in my previous vlog, which was posted I think 3 weeks after my last post, and you guys know that I post weekly. So yeah, if you guys noticed on that vlog, I was vlogging with like different phones. If I happen to be in front of the mirror, you'd see that, okay, it's a different phone now it's a different phone, now it's this and that, So your girl didn't have a phone because your girl did what? So your girl sold her phone and she was left with no phone. Like I was using, let me show you, hold on. I was using this baby. Imagine this baby. But at least she has a camera. So I was using this baby. And then since I went home for the graduation, if you didn't watch that vlog, please watch it. Please do watch it after this. I will insert it in my description. Yeah, so do watch that vlog. And then I went home and they borrowed me this one so that I can use WhatsApp. Although I was using WhatsApp in my PC because I wouldn't risk like being behind with my schoolwork, since we communicate mostly in WhatsApp and things like that. So yeah, that's what was happening. That's why I haven't been posting, but otherwise I am back, and I'm back to stay this time, and that's on period. I've got some items that I want to show you guys. So the fact that I'm back means what? It means baby girl got a new phone. So I did shoot a clip for y'all where I was unboxing and everything. So let's get it rolling. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, I can't. Look at this. I think I'm getting emotional. Okay, let me do it like this. Oh no. Let's take this back. Baby girl, what is she saying? So young. Okay, did you see that? I know you did. Like, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Just a backup story why I changed phones. You guys know it was my birthday, and if you didn't watch that birthday vlog, do watch it, honey. So it was my birthday. I did receive sweet messages from some of you guys, gifts. I just felt loved on that day. Okay, I always feel loved, but I feel like on my special day, on my birthday. So yeah, and I received some moolah. Because if you know me, you know what I like. No, I'm not trying to feel bad. I do like moolah. So baby girl, baby boy, if you're trying to judge me, I'm sorry, but I love it. So I decided, these people got me gifts, these people are showering me with so much love and all of that, but what am I doing for myself? So it's just like, no, baby girl, you gotta do something for yourself. And then I decided, okay, baby girl, you're getting a phone, yeah? And because I can't afford the phone that I wanted, I was just like, okay, baby girl, you're getting yourself a phone, but where are you gonna get the money? You know, because, okay, I see you did save, you did that and that, but then it's just not adding up. It's not gonna make the amount that you need. And then that's where you lovely people come in, the people that send me moolah on my birthday, you know. So I was like, okay, here's some moolah. I just added to my savings, and I'm like, I can get a second hand. And then I'm like, no, I've been using second-hand items, because I remember I was using an iPhone 7 2019, and it was second-hand. And then 2020 I used a 7 Plus till now. No, not now, I mean like before this one that you saw, before the i12 Pro Max, baby. So I was using my 7 Plus, and it was also second hand. So I'm thinking, hi bo girl, you've been just try, you know. And then I decided, okay, for you to get a new phone, you're gonna sell your phone. So I don't know how you're gonna go about that. And then I decided, okay, I'm just gonna use this mini one and sell my phone for the money to be the amount I need to get a new phone. So yeah, that's what I did. That's why I've been away, because I decided to sell my phone so that I'm able to buy a phone that is new. Okay, yeah, so that's just about it. Now I will show you my accessories, okay, because I've got some cute accessories, child. Period. Okay, before the accessories, I'm sure you guys so there was nothing much in the box. So it was just, okay, so this is the box, yeah. So inside the box there was this package, small packaging. So there's my manual in here, there's my sticker, and then there's this pin for the SIM card area, and then I have my cable, yeah. I've started using it, so that's why it's not like in the packet or however it was. So yeah, that's it. That's just what was in the box. Now let's get started with the accessories, yeah. So I got a USB power adapter, and guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am so mad because Apple, what's wrong with Apple? Like this price, do you see it? No, for me it's too much, because okay, I'm not gonna call myself a broke bee, but like it's just too much. Like for a power adapter, just a power adapter, no, it's too much. So here is it. I've started using it, but it's worth it though, because my phone charges fast, and that's just convenient for your girl in case I'm going somewhere or things like that. So yeah, I got the power adapter, and from Tabao, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but then I'll just set the links for those who want to purchase you know. So from Tabao, I got this pouch. It's so cute. You're not gonna get it because, you know, like, I feel like this camera is not doing justice. It's so fancy. And since my phone is white, it's just giving, I don't know. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving something. That majestic girl or whatever. I don't know. But it's giving, child. So got my pouch here. And then, okay, in this pocket, I got another pouch here. It's just a clear one, and what I like about this pouch is that it has this, can you see, because I haven't bought my camera lenses, but then like this does protect the camera, you know, like this extra layer here. So yeah, and then I got two screen protectors. One was in here, but then I've obviously inserted it now. So yeah, and then I have this one. What I like about this screen protectors is that it's plastic. It's not glass. I don't know if you see it, but I'm sure it makes sense from just how much it's so light and everything. So that's what I like. And it's the same, okay, it's not the same brand, but I mean, like, it's the same quality. It's quality, yeah, same thing with this one. So yeah, that's just about it. And I got it in this packaging, safe and everything. And yeah, we have it here. By the way, it was shipped from China. Baby girl is just making meals, you know, like, I want some cute stuff for this baby girl, and I'm gonna go all out, baby, you know, because it's just worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna insert the links in case you wanna buy. Then I decided, no, I'm not gonna get a phone only, you know, I can always get myself something else, something nice. And I decided, okay girl, right now you are so broke because you took all your money and bought the phone, but then you can still get something. I got myself some clothes, but then I don't think I'm gonna show you the clothes, you know, maybe some other time, when, if I decide to like do a try on haul and things like that, then yeah, I'm gonna show you. But that's just about it. So as you guys have seen by the title of the video, it's a productive vlog, yeah. So you've seen I've already ate my breakfast. Right now I'm gonna cook, then study. After studying, okay, I was gonna go to the gym, but it's a Sunday today. I don't normally go to the gym on Sunday, so I'm probably gonna watch something, you know, just Netflix and chill because I deserve it. Yeah, and then yeah, that's like my break, and then study again, you know, because I'm writing tomorrow. And guys, academics except that I wasn't posting because of the phone thingy, academics were boxing me. They were boxing me left, right and center. Boxing me. Yo guys, it was hectic. So yeah, but fully back. So yeah, now enjoy the rest of the day with me. I'm so happy to be back. I feel good, and I can't wait to create some content for y'all, like some proper content, because now we have a better, the sun is just not doing me justice, okay, because yeah, I wanted to use natural light, but yeah, the camera is giving, child, and I love my phone. I'm so excited, and I decided I just want to be serious with this content creation thingy. So I've decided to create TikTok, I've also created Facebook. I created the accounts mainly because I just want to reach more audience for my thrift store and things like that, and for this channel to grow. So baby boy, baby girl, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Please do so, like right now. Just a small touch, and a mini touch on the notification bell, yeah, please. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I know you did it. Thank you. And I'm gonna insert the links below for my TikTok, IG, Pinterest, Facebook, everything, yeah, so that we connect because we are family. Okay, now let's go cook.